All right, guys, little mid-fall, midday Sunday fishing. I think it's November 3rd today. Water temp, it's been about 60, 70 degrees today, outside temp. And then the actual water temp is 50, 58, 59. This water is crystal clear, my man. See a bunch of bait fish going down there. Okay, what do we want to throw up in there? Let's try this Berkley Stunner first. All right, let's throw the Keitech in there and see what we can do. Got him. What do we hook up to? That's a nice fish. Drum. Oh, come on, buddy. I barely got you. There we go. There we go. Quit. There. Bad little drum, start of the day. Let's let him go. So he liked the Rapala DT8. Or is this the DT10? Let me look here. All right, let's see if we got any more. I'm sure there's more than just drum up in there. All right, guys, I switched up to a Bandit 300. Let's see if we can make anything happen here. Got him. Feels pretty good. Feels real good. Let's hope we can land him. Another drum? Yeah. Oh, what is that? Looks like a striper. Let me see here. Yeah. Oh, well, that's a nice fish. That is a huge white crappie. Biggest one I ever caught. Wow. What a fat fish. Let's get a weight on him. I do have a scale here somewhere. Okay. We are cleared. So we are 2 pounds, 3 ounces. My God, look at him. That's an awesome fish. 14.5 inches long. Let's let him go. There he goes. Bandit 300 putting in work. That's the lure right there. Little chartreuse on the bottom, white on the sides, gray, silver, some sparklies in there. Got him. This feels like a bass. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Not a bad one. All right, buddy. Not big, but he's nice. Just set up our pliers. Here we are. There. Nice little bass. Figure it had to be something down there by that big tree. Nice. That's what we're after. All right. If there's any more out there, but we're going to find out. Got him. Doesn't feel very big, but little guy. There we are. Teeny guy. DT10's putting in work. All right, guys, back at the overflow here for the power plant. Let's see if we can't catch a couple more fish. Got him. Oh, I lost him. Man, that sucked. Felt pretty good. Got him. This feels good. Yeah. Nice. Oh no, he was such a nice fish. Oh man, he looked like a nice bass. Dagnabbit. All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits on this one here. Got to get back to the truck and get heading home. But what a fun day on the river, fishing that spill out where that water's coming out from the power plant, and hitting a couple other spots down the river and getting on some smallmouth. Rapala DT10 right there in the sexy chartreuse color. Awesome little bait. Got the Lew's KVD crankbait rod, 7-foot power, medium action, moderate, and just a Lew's speed spool reel on here. 12-pound fluorocarbon line. Got the job done. Did lose a couple fish, one nice one. Not a bad day on the river, guys, for starting out in November. But we're gonna call it a quits after this cast, and then we will catch you on the next lake.